Yo, first order of the day is a Starbucks, $7.25 going 4.5 miles. Thank you. What's up, Megan? Yes.
All right.
Thank you. Next order just came in. This is for a different Starbucks. $11 going about 6.5 miles. Morning.
Very nice, huh?
Yes. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Got my next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15 going about 5 miles, 6 items. Three of these. Bruh. Have to wait for them to review the eggs. But they're not doing it. This guy's just not replying. So this order went from being really good to decent, just because this guy didn't feel like replying. He added an extra 5 minutes to the order. Hello. There you are.
Thank you so much.
Finally got our next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $7.25 going just under 5 miles.
That's the only thing changed.
Oh wow, that ended up being $10.75 for that order. All right, next order up is a McDonald's, $9 and some change going about 4 miles.
Yeah, wait. Yeah. I was gonna ring a bell or something. It's not weird. Huh?
There you go. To get it. There you go. Be right with you in a moment.
Well, that took forever. It says, please ring doorbell, please. All right, but only because you said please twice. Finally got my next one. This is a Chick-fil-A, $8 going about 4 miles.
Alright, we do have some orders behind you. We're working on it right now.
You just dump that in there, and I'll take the drink. Finally got my next order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $7.25 going less than 3 miles, 2 items. I just read your sign. It said, do not knock. And then just scribble on that line for me.
There you go.
Good enough for me.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You as well. I finally got an order worth doing. This is Popeyes, $9 and some change, going about a mile.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. Thank you. Next order up is another Popeyes. This is $13, going about 4.5 miles. Thank you. Do you have cup holders by any chance?
Yes.
All right, I'm just gonna call it here. It is super slow today. Current time is 11:46. Current total is like 85, and I have 2 or 3 Uber tips yet to come in. But anyways, that is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.